Kasi hindi ka namin paglalaban. Hindi kami papayag talaga. And we will exhaust all remedies talaga to bring him home. Alam mo, lahat na ng abogado na alam ko na nasa huwisyo pa, na hindi pa bayad ng gobyernong ito, is working night and day. Kami, we're working on small things. Kala nyo maliliit, pero lahat yan, it is to contest the wrongs of this administration. Alam mo, hindi naman porke labanan mo yung administration, pinababagsak mo. Hindi ganun. Pero lahat po ng tao kailangan ng paalala. Ito, we're protecting the vote. Yung iba, they're challenging the budget. Yung iba, they're challenging the ICC. Put them all together. Ibabalik natin si Tatay Digong. Ibabalik nyo home. Ibabalik nyo sa batas. Ibabalik nyo sa Pilipino yung prinsipyong Duterte.